Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to generate high-converting FAQs with powerful AI. With the Easy Accordion plugin, you can instantly generate AI-powered FAQs to save time and streamline your content creation process. So, let's get started. First, navigate to the plugin's integration settings and select your preferred AI model. Next, enter your Gemini API key. If you don't have one yet, simply click on the Get Your Key link. This will take you to the Gemini API key page. From here, click on Create or View a Gemini API key, then select Create API Key. Give your key a name and click Create Key. Once your key is generated, you can copy and paste it back into the Easy Accordion settings. After that, set a maximum token limit to control your FAQ generation. Next, go to any page and add an accordion block. Then click on the Generate FAQs with AI button. This will open a pop-up. From here, choose how many FAQs you want, along with the language and tone that best fit your content. Select a content source, such as pages, posts, or products, to generate relevant FAQs for your products or services. Use multiple keywords to guide the AI and keep your FAQ content focused. For even better results, customize the AI prompt with a short description so the AI can produce more accurate and relevant FAQs. Once generated, simply select your preferred FAQs and add them to your site instantly. You can also customize the design and other settings from the right side panel, just the way you want. Finally, publish your page and view it on the front end. Your FAQs will appear exactly as you customize them: clean, organized, and user-friendly. That's it! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.